Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel Atman Journey. I am Hema. I read tarot cards intuitively. Today I'm going to be doing the monthly for Aries. Let's see how August is going to be for you. Okay? So Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is your reading. Let's see. I have already meditated on the cards and prayed. Let's see what comes, okay? You have the Four of Cups. The Four of Cups. You have Four of Pentacles. You have the Strength card. You have Three of Cups. Then you have Two of Wands. And you have King of Pentacles. Okay. Okay, this is, I'll leave it here. Okay. Now, you have the Four of Pentacles, which the energy to me is that you're holding on to what you have. Okay, so you're not feeling very abundant, you're not feeling very happy about what you are having in terms of money, finances, job. You're not very happy with in the position that you are in. That is the energy I'm getting, overall energy I'm getting from this card, that whatever it is that you are having, you're holding on to it. You don't want to let go of it, but you are not happy with it. So it's a feeling of not very content with what you are having, with not feeling that you have enough. Okay, so you're feeling that you don't have enough. So that is the general energy that I get from this card. And in the second half, that was the first half, you begin your August that way, and in the second half you have the Three of Cups. So the energy to me in this card is that you may meet somebody, you may meet two other people who may help you get into a better position, get a job, you may get into a partnership with somebody, and you'll share your cups. So you're celebrating, as you see, these three people are celebrating. So it talks to me about a moving out of this sad, solemn kind of energy, and you are moving into a celebratory kind of. So there is something new happening. Maybe there is something new coming into your life. Maybe it is in the form of a job or a new opportunity, or it is a new love that is coming, and then you're feeling better, you're feeling happier, you're feeling like celebrating. Okay, and the other it could also be that there's a third party situation. If you're already in a relationship or in a marriage, there may be a third party situation. So there may be another person involved in this, which is also reflecting this kind of an energy from that. So overall energy, either you get together with two other people and create a group, or create you celebrate with them, you share an idea. So all three of you may have the same idea. You'll share some common interests, and you may think about going ahead in a business, or take up an opportunity. So that is a celebration also. And if it also could mean that there is a third person involved in the relationship or in the marriage. And as I say, for all the tarot card readings, take what resonates and leave the rest. Don't try to fit into yourself into a situation. Okay, now in the middle of August, you're in a, this is Four of Cup energy, As you can see, he's sitting very sad. He's looking down. He's very sad. So he's put in a lot of efforts, and he's not able to see that, he has yet to work a lot on his craft, or on himself, on his emotions, the way he handles people, the way he is handling his relationship, and the way he is going about things. So he has yet to feel fulfilled, whereas all his hard work is recognized by the person who is most important, by the divine. Okay, and the divine, you can see, is offering him a cup, okay, to fill up his cups. He's feeling tired of all that hard work that he's put in. Okay, so now he's been granted, by the divine, for all his efforts, for his hard work, he's being given an opportunity. This could be a new love, a new relationship, some boost into your marriage, which brings back the love and vitality back into the marriage. Or a job, in your job you may get a better position, you may get a raise, or some good news regarding your finances, regarding your health, regarding your love, regarding your relationships. So something that the God has, the divine has acknowledged your hard work and your perseverance and your determination, and he is blessing you with this. So this is the energy in the middle of the week, because you saw that you had something that you got new, maybe with people, maybe yourself, you had something to celebrate. So now you're realizing that is not enough. Okay, and you begin with feeling again, towards the middle of the week, that it's not really working, middle of the month, that it's not really working out. And that is when you'll get another opportunity to relook at things, and your cup will be filled, so to give you enough energy to move towards your next goal. Okay, and in the second and in the middle of the month, you have this energy where you are waiting for your ships to come in. You have to make a choice. Okay, you're waiting to make a choice. So you have two opportunities. As I said, the opportunity will come, okay, in this middle of the month, and then you'll have to make a decision about how you're going to, which one is a better one for you. If it is regarding jobs, do I stay in my job, or do I leave this, or take up the new one, or do I continue with this job and leave the new job offer that I have come? So you're contemplating, you're thinking, you have to choose. Now this is the energy that I get, where you have to choose something, make a decision about it. Similarly, in relationship also, you will have to make a choice. Do I stay in this relationship, or do I move on? Do I do I take the new opportunity which has come and leave this which I am already in, the new love or the new relationship? So it's a contemplative kind of a decision making time. So you'll have to make some choice. But you will. The good news is that you will have opportunities to make a choice about. Okay, so that's also a very good energy to have. And it talks about, then you have towards the end of the month, you're getting clarity, because the moment you start analyzing which is good and which is bad, what do I do? So when you go into that energy, you need to work on your strength. Okay, so you'll have to draw from that strength which is inherent in you. You'll have to draw from that and make a wise decision. And when you do that, you'll realize that you can, if the energy of this card is that she's a little girl, or a frail little woman, that she has tamed the beast. So the beast represents the beast in us, the doubts, the confusions, the illusions, and sometimes we're stubborn to take a decision. We don't want to do something. So when you face your fears and you make a decision, and when you take that decision, you will be in a better position to move towards September. Okay, so after the decision time, the entire scenario that you'll be going through is that once you curb the clarity will come to you about making the decision, is when you curb those beasts inside it. You face your fears, you become honest with yourself and say, what is it that I want? Why am I not taking a decision, whether I stick with this or whether I take the next opportunity? You'll have to face your own demons, and when you do that, and when you tame the demon inside you, the beast inside you, you'll get a lot of clarity. Okay, and that is when you come into the Knight of Pentacles energy. Now the Knight is a mature energy, not like a page who's a very young energy, still in a learning phase, but he's a mature person. He's a mature kind of energy. So this could be somebody in this mature kind of an age group who could help you make that decision that you are confused about. Okay, and as you can see, he's carrying a pentacles, and this is regarding a job, so or your finances, your business, your partnership. So this, you could be offered something like that by a person who is very go-getter, and he makes things happen. He's on the move. Okay, so he sees movement, he sees progress, and he brings progress with him. So you may meet somebody like this who will come into your who will help you clear your mind and make that decision, and it will be easier for you to move into September by making some decisions. And let's see what you have as an overall energy. I'll draw one last card for you, which will be the overall energy. Page of Pentacles. Interesting, as I was just mentioning about how Page of Pentacles is a younger learner kind of an energy, and the Knight is a little bit more mature. So this could represent you. Okay, you are still in that learning phase because you're still trying to figure out in August you're still trying to figure out what is it that I need to do, how do I do it. So all those learning and changing kind of energy, and with the help of this new energy coming into your life, it will help you make your some decisions which will be very useful for you. So I hope this reading was resonated with you. As I said, take what resonates and leave the rest, and don't try to fit yourself into any part or any message into this. This is just as a guideline, as an insight. Okay, I wish you all a very, very happy and successful August, and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Namaste.